that furnace opening is a water entry point. Let's name the problem. Exterior appliance openings are direct access points for water. Here's the consequence. When furnace and water heater seals fail, water enters straight into the wall cavity. It soaks insulation, framing, and wiring, and often without ever touching the floor. This is how hidden rot develops behind intact walls. Now the solution. You inspect and reseal correctly. In this video, I show how appliance seals actually fail, where owners overlook gaps, and how to reseal without trapping moisture inside the wall.